viewers, today started with the famous quotation of David Lang. He said, "Bad library builds a collection, good library builds the services, and great library builds the communities." I am Dr. Yusuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. This is episode number 142, and in this episode I will talk about the college library. The college library bridge between the school education and higher education. It plays very vital role in the development of academic career of the students. In this video clip, I will talk about the 5 important points about the college library. Point number 1, what is college library? Point number 2, what is the purpose of college library? Point number 3, who are the users of college library? And point number 4, what key collection do the college libraries have? And point number 5, what essential services are offered by the college library? Come to the point number 1, what is college library? College library is a physical place or building exist in the college, supporting the college level or higher secondary level students, faculty and concerned staff. In other words, college library is a reading place for the college or higher secondary school and fulfill the students' academic needs and faculty member through printed and electronic resources. Point number 2, what is the purpose of college library? The purpose of college library is to support the educational and research goal of the students, faculty members and staff by providing access to the resources, services and comfortable spaces that foster the learning, inquiry and intellectual growth. The key purpose included: number 1, academic support; number 2, learning environment; number 3, skill development; number 4, technology and tools; and number 5, cultural and intellectual enrichment. Point number 3, who are the users of college library? The users of college library typically include wide range of individuals associated with the academic institution. Number 1, students. Students are the main stakeholder of the college libraries. They use the library for their reading purpose, assignments, projects and build their reading habits with leisure readings. Number 2, faculty members. Faculty members use the college library for teaching, research, curriculum development and staying updated knowledge of their respective field. Number 3, administrative staff. Administrative staff are also use the college library resources for the institutional project, policies and their professional developments. Number 4 is visiting scholars. Academicians, researchers and eminent scholars are also use the college library for their research purpose and to know the current states and utilization of the college library. Point number 4, what key collections do college libraries have? Number 1, books. Number 2, journals and periodicals. Number 3, electronic resources. Number 4, audio visual materials. And number 5, multimedia and maker resources. In terms of books, college libraries have 3 types of books: textbooks, reference books and leisure readings like fictions and non-fictions books. In periodicals, number 2, journals and periodicals, college libraries have newspapers, magazines and journals. Electronic resources, college libraries have also subscribed some international databases for their students and faculty, and as well as college library use open access databases like Dodge. Similarly, college libraries also use the institutional repositories to fulfill the needs of their students and faculty. Number 4, audiovisual material. In audiovisual materials, college library use CDs, DVD and audiobooks. Number 5, multimedia and maker resources. In college library have some multimedia resources and as well as space maker and 3D models for facilitate to their students and users. Point number 5, what important services offered by the college library? Number 1, 1, circulation service. Number 2, document delivery. Number 3, reference services. Number 4, information literacy. Number 5, technology and digital services. And number 6, event organization. Number 1, circulation service. College Library provide book borrowing facilities to its users. Through this, library user can borrow the books at home for the reading purpose. This is very common service which is provided by all the libraries in the world. Number 2, document delivery service. In the age of internet and digital environment, college libraries also provide the document delivery service to the students and users. In this service, a student requests their respective article or reading material through email or social media platforms like WhatsApp or a smartphone, and the librarian supplies this document through this respective medium. Number 3, reference service. Reference service is a user-based service which is provided to college library users. In this service, librarian respond to the instant or ready reference or long-range questions of the users. Number 4, information literacy service. College librarians also conduct the different session about the different information sources and their usage. Through this awareness session, user can able and understand the different information sources and their utilization. Number 5, technology and digital services. Library also provide the different technology and digital based services to their library users, like library provide the printing facilities, reprography services to their students, and as well as scanning facilities. Some libraries also provide laptop borrowing facilities to do their assignments and projects. Fifth, event organization. Different libraries are organize different activities to engage their library user. This activity includes book fair organization, seminars, conferences, workshops for their library users. Here I conclude the episode number 142, and in this episode I discussed about the college library. What is college library? Number 2, what is the purpose of college library? Number 3, what are the users of college library? Number 4, library collections. Number 5, what services provided by the college library. That's end from the episode number 142. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.